got our big 24-inch antique wood planer out again. We've got it hooked up to the 1948 Farmall H, and we just spent some time oiling everything up. We quickly wire wheeled and waxed the beds, so everything should be good to go. And we've got our glued up pieces of hard maple here in the bed of the truck for a current woodworking project. So we're going to go ahead and try to get those planed to final thickness here. Worked pretty well, really. We have a pretty nice flat surface. There's a little bit of blade chatter going on, but that's to be expected for a straight knife dual blade planer, I think. We were running around 1900 RPM. I was able to get that off of my handheld tachometer there. And we made quite a pile of chips, but they'll be able to go right into the barnyard. So that won't be a problem to get rid of them. And yeah, nothing got hot. We were looking at feeling the bearings as we were going, but everything seems to run pretty well. So pretty happy with how it turned out and the job that it did.